They know I'm the one, so it's no way they could stop it. Try to run off with the swag, I put them in pocket. Told my main girl to stop it. She saw me up in the picture, I thought they cropped it. Damn, she think I popped it. I will not give these bitches this dick, let them top it. Whoa, we're ending that topic. In the industry with Dickies on my block, shit.